Today's video is how to put together a Clean Freak hand sanitizing station. So your sanitizing station will come delivered to you in a box like this. When you open it up, you'll have the base, you'll have the poles, you'll have a little bag that has some tools in it, and you'll have your bolts. Additionally, you'll have your mounting brackets and your dispenser. So first thing you want to do is you want to mount the pole to the base. The way you do that is you take out your first long pole, you line up the pole with the base and the bolt as such. Hand tighten that, and then in your toolkit there's a small wrench that will allow you to tighten it more. Once that's done, you want to attach the second pole, which is next in your packet. That simply screws into your first pole, and then you want to attach the third and final pole. Repeating that same process, screwing it in. It's all nice and tight. Perfect. Next, you want to attach the mounting to the dispenser. You remove the dispenser from the box. It will come with a little packet of tools, which include the bolts and a key to open the lid. So we're removing that, this packaging, taking out the key, inserting the key in the top two holes. The front lid pops down. We remove the dispenser that actually holds the sanitizer. That pops out. Remove the bracket. You flip your dispenser over. You'll line up your holes. They'll somewhat snap into place. Attach the bolt into that back piece as shown. Attach your screw. And tighten that in. There's a screwdriver in your kit that allow you to tighten that all the way. We're just going to tighten the first one here. We have another one that we went ahead and we've attached all those pieces together. We'll grab that one. So now we have a dispenser that has all four of the screws screwed in. We'll go. That attaches to the base. You'll take your last bolt, you'll screw that in. That's going to tighten the dispenser to the pole, the wrench to hand tighten it, and you want to line that up so that's straight. Next, just put your dispenser down. You want to pop open the front tray again. You'll fill up your dispenser and insert that back in place, popping it in. That's how you fill it. Close it up. Next, you want to attach your drip tray. Comes in your box. Drip tray goes underneath. Line it up. That slides into place. Pops in. There you go. Now it's built. Thank you.